Hey everyone, my name is Himal. I'm professional WordPress website designer and developer at Fantastic Production. Today in this video I'm going to cover how can we create a WordPress website within 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. So before creating a WordPress website, we must have to install WordPress in our hosting. So I'm using cPanel hosting. I have a dedicated video on it, how to install WordPress in cPanel hosting. If you think you need to watch it, I have attached the link in description. You just simply go there and watch it. So I believe all of you guys have already installed WordPress, and I'm going to in my dashboard, go to appearance, go to themes. After going here, click on add new theme and search Astra, or you will find here at number 3. Just click on install. Okay, after install, click on active. After active the theme, we'll find an option here. Click on Astra, then dashboard, then click on starter template. Click on install and active. It's installing. Just wait a bit. Okay, it's active and install. Let it be load. It will automatically redirect to our template page where you will find lots of available template. Okay, now click on build it template. Okay, so after click on here, you'll find lots of available demo website. You can select which one you need according to requirement. So as tutorial purpose, I'm going to select this one, as I am going to create an e-commerce website. Just click on here and keep as default what it has, I mean WooCommerce. Click on continue, and there you will find an option to upload logo, change color or change text, but we want to keep it what it has. We will show all you guys later how to change all of them. So let's click on continue, just keep all of them. Now click on submit. Let's wait few moments. Okay, so as you can see, our website is imported successfully. Let's open this website in new tab. Okay, perfect. It's imported the website in our WordPress successfully. All the data is comes in front. So next tutorial I'll going to show you how to change the menu, how to set up logo, how to change color panel, and also how to change the images, pictures, and how to upload variable product, single price product, etc. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you think this video is helpful for you, just subscribe the channel for next update, like the video, and don't forget to share your valuable opinion in comment section. Thank you so much. Keep good. Until back.